We are here today for the launching of Schools Resource Center Month and NILAM Program 2023 under the theme of Excellent Resource Center is the key to outstanding generation. Pusat sebuah cemilan pemakin generasi gemilang.
Open a real book and read it. If you have a book, if I have a book, you ask me. No doubt I can search all the material, books, everything in the website. But I still personally tell you, I still like holding a book. Holding a book, reading a real book, I can highlight, I can write on it.
Driving down the freeway at night, I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out this song.
Now let's enjoy performance prepared by our fellow materials. William Camilla Media, Esther Bill Cynthia Anak, Nathan John, and Devon Araki Melissa Anak.
Di sini kini sentiasa menikmati ikhlas dan usaha. Dan di sini dalam bisa buku secara seni beradu akal anak pribadi. Kita wajar pesta dengan buku menghadapi nikmatnya seindah syahdu. Dalam tenang waktu khusyuk dan istirahat lebih cepat kita terasuh dewasa.
Here's an adventure. What awaits beyond this closed, mysterious gate? Whom shall I be? Where shall I go? Beyond the lovely land I know? Above the sky? Across the sea? What shall I learn and feel and be? Open strange doors, to good or ill. I hold my breath, a moment still, before the magic of your look. What shall you do to me, oh book?
书中有美丽的风景，这是快乐的出发，也是幸福的开始。正如我喜欢写文章，写的不是华丽的篇章，而是源自骨子里的素净与修养。读书读的是心底的梦想，人的韧性与刚强。请你捧起一本书，让它成为你的光吧。
Berjalan ke pantai, juga petang, mengambil kendali, luarnya ambai. Semua buku beri kita ilham, awak ke kita boleh memakai. Air berpeti ais, udah beku, laut diengkah, berpinggai kaca. Sekolah kita mayu buku, aramai kita rajin baca. Pasar dia sibuk amat laku, singgah bersibuk beli dia. Rajin-rajin macam buku, awak kepintar kejemah gila. Thank you to all the performers for the captivating performances just now. We have now come to the end of our ceremony. But before that, it is our hope that all students will participate actively in all the organized activities. The activities include Get to know PSS SMK Batu Kawah, Selfie with my book, Ketupat Raya PSS competition, Digital Story Animation competition, NILAM Coloring competition, Digital Poster Making Sekolahku Sejahtera competition, Keyboard Learning activity, and students with the most book-borrowing record. I really hope that the reading culture can be nurtured within us because reading foundation of learning. And therefore we, students, should read to learn and read for leisure. The best habit to develop in life is the habit of reading. I'm Anisha. As the president of the School Resource Center, would like to welcome all of you to come to our School Resource Center. Have a nice day. Thank you.